your homepage, it's going to be the first impression for most of your customers. Keeping it fresh and updated with new content and new features is important. However, it can be time-consuming to constantly be creating custom sections for your store that you can use for your homepage. In this video, we're going to show you how to use an AI tool that we offer at Shogun that can help you create a fresh-looking homepage by inserting custom-made sections. And the best of all, you can create these sections using just prompts with our AI tool. That's right, no designing, no custom coding. Just simply let the AI know what you want to put on your homepage, and it'll build the sections for you. Let's jump into the video.
We've already built out most of this homepage, but it could still use a nice hero section at the top to really set our store apart visually. And with Shogun's AI section builder, we'll be able to create that content in a remarkably short amount of time. Let's go back to the main Shopify dashboard and open up the AI section builder app. And let's then go to the section library part of the app. While you could submit whatever prompt you want into the AI section builder, the section library provides you with some pre-written prompts to help you get started. These previews show what the AI-generated output will look like once the prompt has been processed. We selected a section that has a heading, description, and button on the left. Okay, that's simple enough. But on the right, we're asking the AI to come up with something more complicated for us. In this part of the section, we want two vertical marquee columns that each contain product images, with one scrolling up and the other scrolling down. Also, we want the images to fade as they scroll out of view rather than stopping abruptly. Now, this kind of eye-catching, unique design will make a strong first impression on the people who visit your homepage. It's great for your brand value because if your website looks high quality, visitors will assume that your products likely are too. With all these requirements, it would probably take a good amount of time for you to figure out how to build this section on your own. Or if you delegate development tasks, it would probably take a good amount of time for your team to figure it out. But with AI, you'll be able to create this complex piece of content in a matter of minutes. That frees up room in your schedule to test out more ideas or address any other business needs that you happen to have at the moment. Overall, this tool will make you much more productive. The AI section builder is done with the design, and we can now see the output on the left. If there's anything you'd like to change about this initial output, you can always submit a follow-up prompt to have it adjusted. One thing that stands out here is that the description could be a little bigger so that it's easier for the visitor to read. A small change like this won't take too long at all for the section builder to implement. Another change we want to make here is setting the number of images in each of the marquee columns to 3. Again, all you need to do is tell the section builder what you want to happen, and then in short order, all of those changes will appear in the output like magic. It's a lot like the process of designing a piece of content manually. As in that case, there's also typically some back and forth as you refine the design to get it exactly where it needs to be. The biggest difference with AI, of course, is that this whole process takes much less time. This tool offers a particularly powerful advantage for smaller Shopify stores. Before, such stores often didn't have the resources to do much experimentation. All right, this section is finished. Let's check out how it looks on mobile devices. That's perfect. Let's review the desktop preview as well. Everything checks out, so let's click on this Add to Theme button. We can then click on this Open Shopify Editor button to go straight to where we need to go for our next steps. In the left sidebar of the editor, we'll hover our cursor just above the image with text section to make this plus sign icon pop up. Then we can click on this icon to add our new section to the top of our homepage, which is called Hero with Marquee. Let's add in all the images we want to use in this section. We've already uploaded these images into our store's media library, so to add each one to our section, all we need to do is hit the Select button next to the corresponding slot in the section settings, click on the image we want to use, and then select Done. Okay, let's add this last image, and then we'll check out some of the other customization options that the AI section builder set up for us. As you can see, instead of using the default text, you could rewrite the heading and description to be whatever you want. You can also rewrite the button text. And there's an option to choose which page you want the button to link to. And there you have it, this homepage design is now complete. It's also worth noting that, in addition to our Hero with Marquee section, the rest of the content on this page could have been created with Shogun's AI section builder as well. If you can imagine it, then this tool can probably make it for you.
All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description for the Shogun AI section builder. This is what we used in the video to create the sections for our homepage. Best of all with this app, it's what we sell here at Shogun. We have a free plan, okay? That means that you can jump in and use the tool and not pay us a dime unless you actually like it and want to keep using it, okay? So there's no risk. Give it a try. It's going to be in the description. Also, I want you to leave me a comment down below. What are you most excited to edit with the tool on your homepage? What sections will you create? We'd love to hear about it. Also, go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed already. We put out great content all the time about how you can optimize your storefront. We think you're going to like it, so stay tuned. And of course, until next time, happy selling.